In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable focus mode in Zoom if you want to reduce distractions during meetings, classes, or training sessions. Focus mode can be a really helpful setting in Zoom. It allows the host to keep participants more concentrated by limiting what they can see during the meeting. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on from your Zoom account. To get started, open Zoom in your web browser and go to your account homepage. Once you're signed in, look for the My Account option and click on it. This will take you into the main area where your Zoom account settings and preferences are managed. From there, find the Settings section and click on it. This is where Zoom stores most of the controls for meetings, recordings, security features, and other account level options. If you've never changed your settings before, don't worry. We're only focusing on one specific area today. After you open Settings, click on Meeting. This tab contains all the options related to how your Zoom meetings function. Since focus mode is a meeting feature, this is the section where you'll need to be. Next, go to In Meeting, Advanced. Zoom separates some features into basic, diversion, and advanced categories. And focus mode is located under the advanced meeting options. So if you don't see it right away, that's completely normal. Once you're in the advanced meeting settings, scroll down until you find focus mode. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, you may need to scroll a bit to reach it. Take your time and make sure you're looking in the correct section before moving on. When you locate focus mode, simply toggle it on. After it's enabled, the setting will be active for your account, which means you'll be able to use focus mode when hosting meetings. If Zoom asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and approve it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled focus mode in Zoom. If the toggle appears grayed out or unavailable, you may need the proper account permissions, especially if you're using a work, school, or organization managed account. In that case, an admin may need to allow the